It's a 2016 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.